Familiar ba kayong lahat how to solve profit and loss problems? A trader wants to make a profit of 25% on a motorcycle he bought for 60,000 pesos. At what price should he sell it? Solve natin itong problem. First step, compute natin ang profit amount. To find the profit, multiply the original cost by the profit percentage. Second step, alamin ang selling price. Add the profit amount to the original cost to get the selling price. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more math tips and tricks that simplify learning. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.